What's going on, guys? Howtoadvance back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to make the best cup of coffee. If you stay until the end of the video, you will be able to learn these techniques and be on your way to applying them. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and check out the description box below. Now let's get into the video. Is coffee a key part of your day? If you're a serious coffee drinker like me, you know how important it is to have good coffee available whenever you want or need it. It took me years to understand what went into making a good cup of coffee and to appreciate the subtle differences between coffee beans from around the world. Good beans combined with the proper roasting method can result in an incredible cup of coffee. And, while it may appear to be a simple task, just as a fine wine requires a highly trained vintner, a coffee master skilled at roasting and blending beans for the optimal flavor profile is required. In fact, we refer to coffee beans in the same way that we refer to wine grapes, with the varieties referred to as varietals. The flavors, body, mouthfeel, and other characteristics of each variety vary. The amount of acidity, bitterness, or sweetness, and caffeine present all contribute to the complex flavors that we have come to enjoy and expect in a good cup of coffee. Where can you get good coffee? I've traveled the world, sampling various types of coffee wherever I go. During my travels, I look for local coffee roasters in the same way that I look for local craft beers. To be able to taste and understand the differences in coffee, however, you must first establish a good baseline. A high-quality cup of coffee against which all others are measured. How to make the perfect cup of coffee. Making the perfect cup of coffee can be as difficult or as simple as you want. What you must remember is that it will be ideal for your taste and lifestyle. This can include sophisticated equipment, grinders, and temperature controls. But, whether you're a coffee connoisseur or a tech junkie, you can still make an amazing cup of coffee with a cone and filter if you follow a few simple rules. Make coffee with cold filtered water. If you don't like drinking your tap water, don't make coffee with it. Use 2 tablespoons of ground coffee for every 6 ounces of water when measuring your coffee, usually 1 cup on your brewer. The water temperature should be between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. If you boil water, wait 30 seconds before using it. Water boils at 212 degrees, which is a little too hot to brew coffee. Before brewing, rinse your filter with hot water. Make use of a high-quality oxygen-bleached filter. Pour just enough water, wet but not saturated, over the grounds to allow them to bloom. They get puffy. Continue the pour over after 30 to 45 seconds. This method will extract the most flavor from your coffee. Within 30 minutes of brewing, consume your freshly brewed coffee. Don't leave coffee in the brewer all day. Make it to your specifications. How do you brew the perfect cup of coffee in your home? I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching the entire video. Good luck and stay tuned.